Hi, Algebra Essential students. Welcome to week 7, the last week of remote learning. This week you are going to turn in your test and then you're going to answer a survey. And then that'll be it for the rest of the year. So Friday is our last day of remote learning. All of your assignments, old assignments, the test for this week, all have to be turned in by May 15th. And that's the same for all of your classes. Teachers are not allowed to accept material beyond May 15th. So if you have any questions about any of this, let me know. Send me an email or a remind I'm here to help. So let me walk you through this week. Click on Algebra Essentials. Click on Classwork. First, watch this week 7 video, which hopefully you're already watching now. And then also there's a little end of the year video that I made. So watch those videos first. Number 2. New week 7 survey questions. So I have an end of the year Algebra Essentials survey. Please answer those. And then number 3, click here to find your assignments. So the first 6 weeks on this assignment guide are all crossed out because we've already gone through those. But if you want to go back and work on any Alex assignments, watch videos, work on Quizlets, you absolutely can. And if they raise your grade, I will put them in the grade book. But again, you have to submit them by May 15th, which is Friday. So to do Tuesday, watch this week 7 welcome video. You're already watching it. Due by midnight on Tuesday. Take this test. So click here, print the test, or just write it on a separate sheet of paper, and then submit pictures of your test to Google Classroom. On Thursday, watch this end of the year video, and then complete this survey, which is already linked on the Google Classroom. There's another link to it right here. Let's go back to your Google Classroom. I'm just going to walk you through how do you submit your test one more time. So the last thing on our Google Classroom says submit assignments here. I'm going to click on New Unit 7 Test Systems of Equations and view the assignment. So you print this test that's linked, answer each question with a calculator. Don't use any other resources, so please work alone. And then you submit pictures using this Add or Create pink button on the right-hand side. When you're done, click Mark as Done, so then we can grade it for you. And again, if it raises your grade, then we will absolutely put it in the grade book. So that's all I have. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, please feel free to send me or Mr. D or Ms. Chapman an email. I hope you all have a good day.